How to make the most money on DoorDash. Welcome back to the channel. If you're a DoorDash driver or considering becoming one, today's video is for you. I'll share some essential tips on how to maximize your earnings while delivering for DoorDash. Let's dive in. First, timing is everything. Focus on delivering during peak hours when demand is high, typically during lunch and dinner times. Weekends and holidays can also bring in more orders. Knowing the busy times in your area will help you earn more money effectively. Next, pay attention to the order details before accepting. Look for orders with higher payouts, especially those that require less travel time. Don't hesitate to decline orders that don't seem worth it, especially if they are far away or too low paying. Make sure you familiarize yourself with the DoorDash driver app. It provides helpful features such as tracking your earnings and estimating your delivery time. Use the map function to navigate efficiently and avoid heavy traffic areas. Keep your vehicle clean and well maintained. Regular oil changes and tire checks will help ensure that you don't run into unexpected issues on the road. Also consider having insulated bags to keep food warm, which can lead to better customer ratings and tips. Delivering great customer service can significantly increase your earnings. Communicate with customers if there are any delays and always be polite. A friendly attitude can lead to higher tips, which can add up quickly over time. Use a navigation app that gives you real-time traffic updates to optimize your delivery routes. Avoiding traffic can save you time and allow you to complete more deliveries in less time, boosting your overall earnings. And those are my top tips for making the most money on DoorDash. By following these steps and strategies, you can maximize your earnings and make your delivery experience more rewarding. Thanks for watching and happy delivering.